Hi my loves, so this may look a bit of an odd shot to start the vlog, and it is an odd shot because it is the final clip I will be filming today, and it is actually 2 AM, so it's not even the day on which I filmed a lot of these clips. But I've just realised I only talked to you once today, and I don't even know if I introduced the vlog properly. So I'm going to take you through what happened today. Got up this morning, yes, obviously hadn't had much sleep after a late night packing session. I got myself ready, finished up last little bits of packing. Went to hang out with the baby while Zach finished his packing and got the car packed. Obviously we were much later than planned, but we finally set off. So in the first leg of the trip, baby had her first nap of the day, and I edited as much as I could until my laptop died, which it was fully charged, so I just kept going until it died. But anyway, last night I realised that we had to go to the farm to pick something up. We've got a moany baby in the back, so sorry if you can hear that. Something terrible has happened. Last night I remembered we had left a couple of Zach's parents gifts at the farm. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about that. We are stupid. Yeah, don't even know why they were there in the first place. Some sort of misguided thought that we would wrap at the farm sometime. I don't know. It is sort of, kind of on the way. It's not the opposite direction. It's not great, but we are just arriving at the farm now. Anyway, I'll spare you the rest of the baby moaning. I think she's pooed, so we're going to hop out, get the stuff, change the baby, get back in the car. So we did a pit stop at the farm. Baby had her first nap, so I hopped in the back and was on entertainment and snack duty. I had the toys ready, I had the snacks ready, I had cocomelon ready. So we did that for a couple of hours. By that point, Inez was getting a little tired again, and she doesn't usually sleep if I'm in the back. She usually gets a bit distracted. So we stopped again. Zach and I got a Greg's, hooray. And we hopped back in the car. I hopped in the front again. Inez basically napped the rest of the way here. I think she knew if she woke up, she would be bored to tears because she kept sort of stirring and then going back to sleep. She loves to sleep to Christmas songs. She is my child, so yes, and then we arrived. I basically spent the rest of the evening finishing off the vlog, catching up with everyone, eating a curry, and just chatting once the vlog was done. Yeah, the vlog took me absolutely ages yesterday because it was a long vlog, and we obviously had a busy day. We were driving most of the day, so I didn't really have access to a PowerPoint for my laptop. And for some reason it took about 3 hours to export. I don't know what was going on. I have my suspicions, which I won't bore you with because they're just stupid little tech things, but it took so long to export. So yes, I am just going to put it live in the morning, I think, because there's no point me putting it live at 2 AM. Anyway, I've just been in to resettle the baby. She went to bed quite late because she had that long nap late in the day in the car. So I've just been in to resettle her, but if she wakes again, I'll just bring her into bed with me. But obviously I need to be ready for bed myself. Today's vlog is going to be opposite of yesterday's. As you, I'm sure, can see right now, a bit of a short one. But I am so relieved that everything is done. Like our Christmas packing is done. Everything is sorted. We're up north. I've done all my Christmas shopping. I haven't wrapped it all, obviously, but I just feel good that everything is on its way. And I'm feeling a lot of relief. I think I might have a lie-in tomorrow, I'm hoping. Just relax a little bit, and the next few days should be really nice. Don't have any big things that need doing. I actually think I do need to do one quick thing. I need to do one job. Everything will be sorted. I think I'll do that on Monday and just have a nice weekend this weekend and just let my mind rest a little bit, spend some time with the baby, because obviously we've been so busy that I have spent much less time with her than usual. Let me take this jumper off because I'm absolutely roasting. Zach's mum got me some cute Christmas socks. I feel like I actually need some new comfy socks because all of mine are a bit ratty and old. They've got little antlers and little hats. Let us do a little get unready with me moment to round off this little vlog. And yes, this is a little road trip pit stop, this vlog, into the next few days, which I hope will be really fun. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.